Okay, what's up, everybody? I'm going to show you today how to make an anchor link in your website. So maybe you want a link that doesn't necessarily go to a specific page, but it goes to a specific section, either on your home page or even to another section on a whole another page. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So let's say this is our site, and we're going to build a one page, right? So we're going to take some elements. Let's add a couple containers, make it a little bit bigger. Let's give that our background color of whatever. That's so green. You know, and just for the sake of time, I'm just going to duplicate and duplicate and duplicate. And let's change these background colors to other things so you can see what goes on. I'm just going to pick randoms. Okay, so let's say that this is Awesome Sauce, and Awesome Sauce is down here. This one right here is actually Awesome Sauce. And let's change Awesome Sauce color to a more sauce-colored appeal, I guess. Let's go, there we go. Let's make it barbecue. Right, this is Awesome Sauce. We're going to say header Awesome Sauce section. Stop hitting too many buttons. Now, just an additional tip while I'm in here, you can see that this is, very close to the top of this section. It looks crazy. So I'm going to add a little bit of padding to that. So this section, I'm just going to click the link to remove all of them and just add some to the top. Boom. Just so it's there. I usually add top and bottom to my sections just because it just looks better. So anyways, back to it. So we want this button. This is Awesome Sauce. This is going to go down here to the Awesome Sauce section, right? We're actually going to name this container, if I can click on it, Awesome Sauce section. I like to name containers. And then what we're going to do is to have this link to this section, we're going to go to our advanced tab of this container, of the Awesome Sauce container. Okay, we're going to go down here to CSS ID. We're just going to name it Awesome Sauce. Right? So that this container CSS ID in my container editor is Awesome Sauce. So now, scrolling up to our button here, we want this to link to it. So I'm going to go to content link hashtag Awesome Sauce, right? Hashtag is also kind of like a hyperlink. Okay, so we're going to create, it's an anchor link, I think is what it's called. Boom, right? So now when I hit publish, it's going to automatically, and I hit preview, it's going to update my preview page here. Now when I click this, it'll scroll down to Awesome Sauce section. So that's how you anchor link elements within your page. Now what I could do is I could even go, let's say I want this to link to not just my services page, but the Awesome Sauce section on my services page, right? So the way I would do that would be in front of the hashtag Awesome Sauce. It would be https://www.yoursite.com/services, or whatever the URL is for that page, /hashtag Awesome Sauce. So now this doesn't just have to go to the services page. It would take them to the services page and then also anchor text down to that Awesome Sauce section on that page. That's kind of an advanced tip right there if you want to add additional fun user experience navigation throughout your site, that instead of taking them to services and they got to scroll all the way through what they're looking to get, it takes them right to the awesome sauce section. So there you have it. Fun little way to add some additional navigation throughout your site instead of just, menu links or button links. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed it, hey, click like, man. Subscribe, man. Add some comments. If you've got an additional thought on how to do this, hey, let me know.